Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of tutorial. So for today's episode is my voice over ako. So pagpasensyahan nyo na po ang aking boses. So today's episode or today's video is a fresh, natural, glowy makeup look for dry skin. Since it's rainy season na, I love rainy season. Pero kapag ganitong mga season na mas malamig, mas nagda-dry yung skin ko. So, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a fresh and makeup look na dry skin friendly. So, kung ano yung mga brushes na kailangan nyo gamitin. Kung ano yung mga tips na ma-apply nyo na I think is really good kasi yun yung ginagawa ko lagi. Kung paano ma-achieve yung fresh looking eyes. Meron siyang eyeshadow kasi I love eyeshadow. Eyeshadow look na talagang fresh lang siya tingnan pero may eyeshadow. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the base, we will make our own tinted moisturizer using this Olay Natural White Moisturizer with my L'Oreal True Match Satin Foundation. Sobrang ganda ng ganitong combo kapag dry yung skin ko kasi nakukuha ko yung coverage pero mas nadadagdagan yung moisture and mahalaga pa rin yung coverage sa akin. So, para mas mukha pa rin siyang fresh. For the brush na marirecommend ko, ito guys yung bamboo powder brush. Murang-mura lang to sa Shopee, promise. 130 pesos lang siya. Pero sobrang ganda niya for light coverage. Kasi ano siya, hindi siya sobrang dense and hindi rin siya sobrang fluffy. Parang nasa gitna lang siya. Sobrang dali mag-blend. As in, walang strikes, walang brush stroke. Sobrang linis lang ng ano niya, yung pagka-blend niya. Concealer, of course. Ang marirecommend ko concealer sa inyo if dry skin kayo, dry yung under eyes nyo, is like this Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline kasi creamy siya. Dapat creamy yung concealer. And meron pa rin siyang coverage. So, I love this. Cheeks! So, since dry yung skin natin, we'll use a cream blush. And it's optional, pero hindi naman powder blush na medyo may sheen. But, I love this Careline multi-pot. Ang pangit lang dito is madali siyang mawala. So, ang ginagawa ko is papatungan ko pa rin siya ng konting-konting powder blush. So, bine-blend ko siya before ko i-blend yung concealer ko sa under eyes. Kasi mas nakukuha yung coverage ng concealer sa under eyes. Plus, mas nabiblend yung blush. Hindi ko alam, mas mukha siyang natural pag inuna kong i-blend yung blush bago yung concealer. Kasi parang nalilinis ng concealer yung excess blush. Like dito sa gilid ng sa gilid ng ilong. Parang mas siya, linis siya tingnan and mas natural siya tingnan. So try nyo yun, guys. Siyempre, ang setting powder ko is baby powder with this Focallure highlighting brush. Sobrang ganda ng brush na to sa under eyes kasi sobrang tamang-tamang powder lang yun nalalagay niya. And guys, medyo drying to kapag masyadong madami yung Johnson's baby powder. Pero ako guys, hindi na ako nagre-retouch ng powder sa buong maghapon. Like, konting powder ko nitong Johnson's baby powder, nilalas niya na throughout the day. Ganun, minsan nagda-dry yung skin ko. So, okay na okay itong baby powder and sobrang smooth niya sa under eyes. As in, sorry, pero kahit Johnson's baby powder lang siya, smooth talaga siya sa under eyes. Mas gusto ko pa rin siya kaysa sa Nichido final powder. So, yun. Nilagay ko na lang siya dun sa mga needed na area. Contour and blush or highlight palette, this is my favorite. Sobrang natural lang. Atong Beauty Glaze, sobrang mura pero sobrang ganda, guys. Ginagamit ko yung bronzer, pang contour. Sobrang natural niya, as in kung gusto niyo mala-fresh, mala-josa lang. Ginagamit ko to, guys. And, ayan, nag-nose contour din ako sobrang konti. Para lang mas mag-add ako ng konti pang contour na shade yung mas deep and cool tone. Ang ginagamit ko is yung Essence, The Velvet's eyeshadow to, guys, in the shade Taupe Secret. Sobrang perfect na cool tone shade niya for me. For my blush, ito yung favorite kong blush brush from Focallure din, guys. Ang gaganda ng brush ng Focallure. Hindi siya sobrang lambot, okay, pero for the price, it's really good. And konting dusting lang talaga ng blush. As in, kontrolado ko yung blush. So, ito ding blush na ginagamit ko. Peach Love yung shade niya. For my highlight, ito yung favorite kong pang highlight. Lalo na kapag dry skin. Yung bamboo din siya na small fan brush. Ang gusto ko kasi dito, nadadust off niya yung excess glitters. Ayaw ko talaga ng glitters, guys. And kapag mas dense yung brush ko, mas nakukuha ko yung glitters. Pero kapag itong brush na to, hindi ko nakukuha yung glitters. So, look at that. Ang ganda. Sobrang natural nung highlight na to, guys. Sobrang ganda ng palette na to. Itong Beauty Glaze. Promise, like, parang nasa 200 something pesos lang to. Pero, gamit na gamit ko siya. Kapag gusto ko talaga ng no makeup look, pero maganda talaga yung highlight, yung blush, yung contour. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. So, for the eyes, simple eye look lang tayo. I'm going to use this iMagic CHARM Eyeshadow Palette. Sobrang good quality. First shade is yung Profesh. Very natural shade na matte. As in, kahit ito lang, tapos mascara, okay na ako. Sobrang ganda ng shade na to. So, very messy blending lang. And then, for our next shade, we are going to use this Maloy. Ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng effect na parang fresh and buhay yung eyes mo. As in, parang natulog. So, inner corners siya and 1/3 ng inner corners. And especially dun sa ilalim, like lower lash line, yung unahan, malapit sa inner corners, sobrang mukha fresh yung eyes and mukhang awake. And just to add a little bit of dimension, kasi gusto ko na medyo elongated yung eyes ko, I'm using the shade Vamp as an eyeliner. Pero yun lang talagang outer corners yung nilalagyan ko, guys. Hindi ko siya pinapasok sa loob. Then that's it. That's for the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. Ang gamit ko is yung Essence Volume Lash. Sobrang natural nito and I think malaki yung impact talaga nung magpaglagay ng shimmer shades sa ilalim, sa may inner corners. Parang nabubuhay na yung eyes. Natatanggal niya yung eye bags ko. For the lips, this is my favorite almost non-looking lipstick. Parang hindi mo siya halatang lipstick or parang wala kang lipstick. Sobrang natural niya. This is multi-pot, yung Careline. Ginamit ko as blush. Medyo drying lang siya, so if sobrang dry ng lips, mag-moisturize muna kayo. But it's really good, as in sobrang natural lang. And that's it for this glowy, simple makeup look for dry skin. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this fresh makeup tutorial for dry skin or dry skin friendly fresh makeup look. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you will get notified every time mag-upload ko ako ng new video. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, my Instagram and my Facebook. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless you all. Bye!